Hello viewers, I'm an engineer Azam with my today's video is about 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. So today I will explain how it is equal to 1 horsepower equals to 746 watt. So today I will explain this. So first of all, this is a question. You should look at your screen. So this is a question. First of all, I will tell a little bit history about this question, how this question has been developed, or how this constant has been considered. So first of all, James Watt was a scientist who has developed a steam engine first. Then after he got a confusion that how could he calculate the power, how would be its unit. So he got a little bit confusion. He got a little bit confused there. So then he thought that he bring a horse and tie a rope on the neck, at the neck of a horse, then tie it through a pulley with 75 kg mass, and its height was 1 meter, and its time is 1 second. So the horse takes 1 second. The horse takes 75 kg in 1 second through 1 meter. So this was a concept. So I will now find it. So look at the question. So so weight was weight was 4.6 kg. So this is the weight of a pulley. Here they have represented 75 kg. So the actual weight was 74.6 kg. And then after so 1 kg is equal to 9.8 Newton watt, or 10 Newton watt. So 1 kg is equal to this. So we will convert this. W is equal to 4.6 multiplied by 10 Newton watt. So it's equal to 746 Newton watt. So this is the watt, and the watt, or sorry, this is the force. This is the force. So force is 746 Newton watt. So now so this is 746 Newton meter. So we all know that power is equal to work done divided by per time. So if the work done through in per second, it is called power. So work done means force multiplied by displacement. Then after this time, so P, here force is 4 746 multiply by the distance or the height, and there was 1 only. You have looked at the questions, I think. So the time was 1 second, 1. So this will be cancelled out. Then the power will left for 746. Then the unit of power is watt. So that is why 1 horse power is equal to 746 watt. So this was the answer of this question. So thank you so much. This is too much important, so that's why I have derived this here. Thank you so much.